do not take a course with the intention of gathering information, because everything that I share with you, everything that I tell you, whether you attend this course or you take any of my longer courses, if you come for information, all of the information you need is right out there somewhere on the internet. आजकल तो it's so much easier. If you go to ChatGPT or Gemini or any of these AIs, you can ask them any question. If you are here for gathering information to learn about this thing, so you have some information about this, that would be waste of your time and your money. So set an intention to get personal transformation. Set an intention to change your life, to change the way you think, to change the way that you are living your life. Set a clear intention for yourself. That is where it all begins. So have very clear intention, because you have some conscious reasons for attending this, and there are some unconscious reasons for attending this. So I want you to consider your deeper reasons why you're attending this. Ask yourself, why am I really here? What am I really trying to get? What's my ultimate purpose? Why did I decide to invest my time and my money in this program? Because you have a deeper inner knowing about that. वो आपको पता है, वो मुझे नहीं पता, वो अल्लाह ताला जानते हैं या आप जानते हैं. बट समटाइम्स हम खुद भी नहीं जानते, बिकॉज हमने अपने आप को उस लेवल पे सोचने की कोशिश नहीं की होती. बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू कंसीडर दैट. आई वॉन्ट यू टू आस्क योर सेल्फ. आई वॉन्ट यू टू लुक इन साइड and think, why am I really doing this? What am I really trying to get? Okay. And that is the first thing. Set a very, very clear intention for yourself.